I never unmuted my microphone. I never unmuted my microphone.
Oh my god, I can hear myself.
I never unmuted my
Oh my god, I can hear myself. No. Okay, muted. Whew, we're fine. We're fine. I muted the stream. We're good. I never unmuted my microphone. Shoot. Okay. Recap. I said like 5 different things. But, summary. I have headache. I feel tired. We made the flashlight last time. I've done nothing since then because I'm a lazy bitch. And I just showcased the flashlight we made, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Sad. I know. Anyway, we're gonna make it so you can place items down now because that's probably important. You know, we got a few different items you can place down. You can place on the light stick, the scanner, the sealer, the camera. Maybe there's something else I don't remember. But we're going to all make these extend a class, like a placeable item class, which should make things a bit easier. Oh, my head. This is not going to be fun. Okay, well. So when you're placing an item, I think it's just going to copy the model. Then, like, cast where your mouse is. Use the bounding box to see if it's colliding with anything. And then either make it red or green based off of where you can put it. And then you press a button and it goes down, I guess. That should probably work. Okay, I don't think any of the placeable items are going to have a function of when you're holding them and don't have them placed down. So I think... yeah, I think you're going to need to place it down. Alright, so I can make it so the placing preview is always there. I'll also have to... oh shoot, I'll have to take control of your scroll wheel. Okay, actually no, what I'm going to do, you hold right click to open up the placing preview, and then you scroll to rotate. So, that seems pretty easy. Maybe. Okay. That should be fine. How did I make this binding system? Because I want to use that. I definitely want to use that. Okay, create bind. Might be this simple question mark. I don't need any of this. Oh, whoops. I should just get this part. I said just this part. There we go. Okay, that'll make our bind for placing it down. And then... Ugh. Only pressed and released, so...
Sorry, baby, I just don't know the words or how to conjugate them. Was it really past tense? I heard, or was it present perfect? Maybe we could forget the time you faced that friend without me. Maybe we could go back to mine, pretend it never happened. Oh, when the rally's out of time and you say it will be fine, but I just can't find the lines. Oh, I hope I know what to say.
Okay, now we need to make the preview. I just made an on frame, right? Okay. Oh, it's preview, not model. Don't want to destroy that. Got to put a question mark. If there's no preview, then we need to make one. I'm just gonna assume this exists. No, I'll throw it here. So that will get the center part and the model. We're going to get everything that's not connected to it and destroy it. There, that will get rid of everything that we don't want to have. Now we need to make it into like a little hologram type thing. So we're going to do... If not, it's a base part, then continue. We're going to move this to the top because that is actually applicable here as well. Material equals enum the material force field. If part is a mesh part, then dot texture ID, remove it. That material variant. Is this it? All right, we're going to the documentation. Special mesh. Special mesh, okay. Alright, that should make the force field effect. We're gonna put this in its own function. Because it's so long. So now we'll have a preview. We'll return the preview too. Set primary parts. We're gonna actually it's pivot 2 now, right? Yeah. We need to get the target of the mouse. Okay, this is a bit more complicated. Should probably do a couple of things actually. Part touch. Can collide is false. Can touch is false. Can query false. Anchored true. Oh, no. Only for the handle. Actually, you should probably make this some config. Symbol.config equals place color.
So I walked out the back before the second set settled my debt. I'll miss
There.
the rest, that's fine, I guess. The cavern is a crowd around, and I could scarce get by a second breath between the press. Now it's 3 a.m. and I don't know how I'll get home. The way is barely paved. I can't keep my eyes from closing, so I'll hit replay. This is a first-rate town, but all you ever notice are the ways it stretched too far. And it has been knocked down, while some of us are still left here between the scars.
Do it this way.
Around, all you ever notice is you cannot see the stars. This is a first-rate town, you know. You just can't see very far.
Alright, so we need local bounding. Where's no. CF bounding size equals okay. Bounding box? Yeah, C frame vector 3. Okay, we're gonna need to do a raycast for your mouse. Yeah, we're gonna need to raycast this. Result. Give that workspace raycast from just that current camera, that C frame. No, wait. C frame dot position. Game dot workspace. I should put this in a variable. Cam.cframe.look vector. Place distance. Config. Okay, did not mean to do that. We're gonna put this into a variable. Fine.
And even when you lost your hair to shame and so much gone, I stood beside you then and there until the cut was done. And even when I lost myself in all of those tall trees, you took me down, you held me up, you patched my bloody knees.
Okay, that will be the rotation, and then we add on. We're gonna place it in front of you. Hello there, cloned and pumpkin. How's it going? Right now I'm making it so you can place items down. What I've just done is I made a raycast from your mouse, which is to check what you're looking at. If it doesn't hit anything, we're just gonna hover it in front of you and tell you you can't place it. However, if it does hit something, we're going to need to do some weird math that I'm going to have to figure out to figure out where to position it. Moderating is hard. What are you trying to say? You procrastinate on homework? Ouch. Actually, wait, we should do a block cast with this because they gave us that and it's super cool. Hold on. Block cast. Okay, we're gonna do local rotation, so we don't have to keep typing this out. How have you been? I have been pretty cool. I mean, been decently busy. My biology teacher is absolutely wild, but you know, it is what it is. This should actually work. I'm so happy they added this. Alright, then we can put it there. But if it does hit something, then we can literally just put it at the distance, I believe. We can do... format that. So it's going to be the rotation plus the hit position, I think it's that simple. Results dot. I need to use distance, right? What does I think result is? I don't believe that. Let's look at the documentation. Block cast. Okay. What does it give back? What the heck? Okay, result. Raycast result. Oh, it just gives back a raycast result. That's. Blockcast is a thing, yes, and it's super nice. I should position it forward, and then we can do a spatial query just to see if there's anything in it. Yeah, they added it. It's super nice. It's decently new, I think. But yeah, it's a lifesaver.
My God, you look so beautiful, but you got something on your mind. So just tonight, is it alright if I can help you to forget all your burden, all your sorrow? Turn it off.
Yeah, fair enough.
But today, we're gonna be okay. All the mean things in your head, don't you forget it. The pressure people give you.
Wait a minute, I can't use pivot 2 because that moves the root, not the model. Oh, that's so silly. That's very silly. Let me think. This is just some relativity. This is easy to fix. So the center is relative, is some position relative to that. Ugh. Hello there, Croner. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. We still gotta chat about lore crap. I keep forgetting. And also the exorcism. I still know what I'm doing. And right now my brain, with a headache, is just struggling to do some weird math complex, like, relativity crap. So, alright, I might even need to do this on paper. Or, you know what? We're getting out MS Paint. The platform of nightmares, right? So we got the bounding box of the part we're placing. We know where the center of this needs to go. But what we can actually position is this random part that could be, like, off to the side. So if we can get, like... Oh, it's that easy. Okay, I just need to get something pointing from the actual center to the placing center. And then whenever I position it, I apply it, maybe? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Alright, that should work. We're gonna put this in a variable. So we have the target position, and then we can just feed that in here. And then the size is the bounding box size. It's easy. Alright, let's generalize that because this should be the same. So we need the collision group still. This is just gonna be. It's actually gonna be interact. Yeah, so that's the same. Spec can collide. Just one. You only need to know if something hit it. Alright. Alright, it should be that easy. So this just returns the list, right? Check the documentation. No Microsoft Paint, I do not want to save. Ooh, wait, I actually can't do this, can I? Should use. Hold on. Get parts in. Dude, there's not a better option, really? Whatever. We'll have to make a part, I guess, if it's gonna be like that. Still have this though, so that's something we can use. Space check. That's actually all I need to do. It doesn't actually matter. Hello there. How's it going? What you been up to? Probably store this in a variable. So this means there's nothing in the way, and we should be able to place it. So oh, my brain is not happy right now. So now we can recolor all the parts, I guess. Not bad, not bad. Getting by. Bit of a headache, but I'm coding anyway. You know how it is. So this will recolor the part based off whether or not we can place it. So maybe this will work, although we need a way to actually test it, because I didn't do that because I'm a little bit silly. RBX Pizza Dev, I have to know. Whoa, why do you have that as your username? Oh, it's just that. That's the entire reason you chose it, because of your Roblox username. I thought maybe like you were making some sort of pizza game or something. Oh well. All right, well, that is in fact a preview. I mean, you can't actually place it, but I'll add that later. Right now, all I care about is the preview. So what's an item that we're going to be able to place? The light stick. That's a really good basic item. Let's just make sure everything's kosher on that model. Got plans on making a pizza game? Ooh, tell me about it. As if you're willing to share. That seems like a reasonable bounding box. Alright. Oh wait, you're not going to start out with that for free. So actually we're going to do the camcorder, I guess. So it's like another tycoon game. Let's see. Oh, it's one of those. So it's like the higher quality like retail. Oh, I'm thinking like retail tycoon, but for retail tycoon, but for pizza. My brain is not happy today, but you know. Alright, I guess we're making the camcorder. That's what it's called, right? I'm not doing a silly camcorder. Yep. What am I getting called? Okay. Never thought the second item I'd make work would be the camcorder, but here we are. Should probably fix that. There. Just to make that go away. Oh boy. Code is too complex to type check. Boo. Dude, it's not that complex, man. Silly Roblox and your type checking. We could just do like... Bruh! Alright, man. I don't know what it's yapping about, but I don't think there's anything I can do about it. So I'm just gonna live with the warnings, which is, you know, sad, but sometimes it just happens. So theoretically... Oh, wait a minute. I need placeable to extend tiered item. I'm sure all my placeable items are tiered. Shoot. Actually, we'll just make another class called placeable tiered, which is just gonna be like a ugly amalgamation of the two. Is this that horror game? What do you mean that horror game? It's a horror game. It's not. I don't know what you mean by that horror game. Yes, this is the same one. This is in fact the same one. Flashlight is working and it's pretty cool. Shoot, how in the world would I do this? I don't think I can stick them together that way. Shoot. We might have to do something a little bit messy, but whatever, I guess. For now, we're just gonna make it extend tiered. For lack of a choice, that is. Okay, bro. Export type item model parent class item model. Okay, now you'll stop complaining, right? Anyway, I made the extension tree even more complex. You're welcome, Roblox. Might be it for now. Let's just try to run it and see what happens. Object oriented programming on top for real. Although Roblox's type checkings get a little bit sad. Shoot.
What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying. Love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you,
What silly thing am I doing? Print statements. Print statements are the fix. Sometimes, well, you know, helps me find the fix, that is. No! Wrong button! Shoot. Oh, man, that's not what I wanted to press. Screw you, Roblox. Why is that button there? That's like the dumbest button. No. No. I would just like, oh, quick, let me click on the viewport button so I can see what's happening and run the test. Oh, crap, I accidentally pressed the X. And it just closes Roblox. Yippee. Luckily it saves, but like, still. Team create moment. Okay, the list is empty. That's really weird. So this camcorder, where is this created? In round service, actually, isn't it? Is tier null? Did I say null? This is in Java. Nil. Come on. I'm working on too many languages. Camcorder old. So it should be passing it in. But it's deciding not to. Oh, it's on the client. Oh, wait a minute. No, that seems fine. Oh, it's because it doesn't extend it on the server. I'm so silly. I forgot to make the server version of the class. Ignore my stupidity, please. Because that was very silly. Alright, let's fix that. Classes. Item. Gonna make the placeable one thing. More or less, for now, it's basically just be a stub, but okay. Now we make the camcorder. Oh my gosh, Ian. Export type item model. Parent class item model. There. There. Now the data should be sent correctly. What this place will do? So it's basically a parent class for all. Oh shit! It's worse now. It's okay. It's the parent class for all things that you can place down. Think like a camera. You need to place that down so it can, you know, be a camera and be accessed remotely and stuff. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing wrong here. Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. I'm silly. I just like dropped this for some reason. Should probably implement that everywhere. Already got it here. Alright, that... Pray to God that works. There we go, no errors. That's what I like to see. Alright, well, it's not doing anything, which I don't think is good. Okay, it's not taking input. Great. That's amazing. Love that so much. I love that it's not taking input. Oh boy, type checker's very unhappy. You can tell by how laggy it's getting. Alright, let's try this. Does it even tell that I'm pressing the button? Let's see if this still works. Yeah, this uses the same system too. So it's recognizing that I'm pressing the button, but it's not making a preview. Which is very, very odd. Hold on. I'm an idiot! Ah! It was starting and then immediately ending the place attempt because I had it the same event because I'm an idiot. Jesus. This is why I don't code with headaches. Thank you, thank you. I've been working on it for 3 years. Although only 6 months of that has actually been on this version of the game. I did like a massive rewrite because everything was absolutely terrible. The game was almost going to be really bad. And then we're like, nah, let's do better. Alright, so nothing's... Okay, that looks so fucking sick. If that is, it would if it worked correctly. If it worked correctly, this would be so sick. This preview looks so good. What is it hitting? Is it hitting me? It might be hitting me. Seems I might have flipped things up because it's active whenever I'm not holding it. Just a little silly, but it should be really fixable. Oh. That would be it. Yep. I know, that looked so good. Holy crap. I was not expecting it to look that good. This is the right type, right? Yeah. Now we have to specify to ignore the character. So right here we do like place ray cast params dot filter. Player, do we have that variable? We do not. Let's get that. My brain turned off. There we go. This is where we put it. Look at that character. Alright, that'll copy it over. Then that should make it so it won't collide with your character. One other thing I just realized I want to do though is I want to make it have a little bit of tolerance. Alright, let's see if it'll work better now. Oh, look at how good that is! Okay, this is fine because technically those bars don't have collision. So, it's whatever. That looks so good! Okay, why can't they put it on the ground, though? That's weird. I could pass it off as intentional, but I don't think I'm going to do that because that's a little silly. Alright, I'm just going to increase the vertical tolerance for the size. It's a bit of a hacky fix, but it might have to do. I didn't texture most of this van, but I did texture this little moving grate and the interior walls, which I'm pretty happy with. Those were just because the guy didn't understand what I wanted to do. Do I use UI libraries at all? Nope. Unless I made it, I don't really use it. I don't use very much that I don't make. There we go. Now I can place it on stuff. That's good. Alright, much better. Now we can actually place it on stuff. Perfect. Okay, now we need to make it actually, you know, go on the ground. So, what oh, wait, first I actually want to make it scroll. Like, I mean, rotate. So... I also want to change one thing. I want to make it so it changes the text whenever you're doing it. So we're going to do self.bind. Oh, bind. Place bind. Set text. We're also going to do a scroll bind. Ooh. How am I going to do that? Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, now this is too complex too. Amazing. Okay, maybe this won't have a little prompt at the bottom. Oh no, we can make that ourselves. We can do that manually. Because this isn't going to be rebindable. Oh, I just saw. You're going to head off to sleep now. Hope it goes well and my headache goes away. Thank you very much. Sleep well. Should I make this rebindable? Do I even have keys for scrolling up and down? And do they work? How would I even make that work? Did I do this? I think I know. Yeah, let's investigate my own code because I have terrible memory. Keybind. Oh, I use is valid, don't I? Interesting. Okay, so oh, this is so weird. I guess it's gonna be rebindable, just because, yeah. Uh. No, I'm not gonna make it rebindable. I'm taking the lazy route. I'm taking the lazy route. You can't stop me. You literally cannot stop me. I'm taking the lazy route. It's just not important enough. It's not that bad. I'm just not letting you rebind the ability to rotate something while you're placing it from scroll wheel. Because, I mean, it's scroll wheel. I feel like that's like the perfect thing for that. Why would you want to change that? What are you going to do? Press a key to rotate it? That would be so bad. Use your input service. There. So that will clean that up correctly. So we're going to take the input, if obj, actually it's input changed, right? How does this work again? Is valid. Where's the is valid? I'm not keybind, I need key. Scroll up and, okay, object.position.z is greater than 0. There. That might handle it. However, no, that should be it. Does my code take input from the scroll wheel to swap items yet? I don't know. We'll find out. If I try to scroll and it immediately swaps items, then I know exactly what happened. Sometimes I wish Roblox used a different language than Lua. Actually, no, a lot of the time I wish that. Yo! It's turnable. Sensitivity's a little bit low, but I can change that. I'll change it. I'll double it. Planned release date? No. But I can promise it'll be done before Halloween next year. That's kind of like a overshoot to be absolutely sure. You know, like, we know it'll be done by Halloween next year. But it probably won't take that long. That's what we're trying to say with that. But we can promise it won't be that long. That's just why we're saying it, because we don't want to give another empty promise about the release date. Because bad stuff happens. Because, you know, like, it was supposed to be done soonish, but then, like, half my summer that I was supposed to spend grinding out this game got decimated by a death in the family and having to get shipped off to Brazil. So, you know. What is it? What's the function? Does it get slot? Okay, get item. If not, okay, so we need the placeable class here. If item is, if not item is a placeable, then return. Okay, if not item or.
Upon this ground, I give it up just to burn it down. And if they die, you can blame it on me. I've been setting up gravestones in my hometown. I wish I had been born.
What? Come on. Oh, did I do the wrong class? Yes, I did. There, now it's the right place function. I'm gonna do. We need the inventory. Is it be circular? I hope not. Not circular. Okay. It's variable, isn't it? Yes, holder player. If holder player, then inv equals inventory. Is this what I called before? Slot in and get slots. Is that a function? It is not. Shoot. We should probably implement that. It'd be good to have. Actually, no, I can just loop. We can do for slot end equals 1 inventory.config.num slots. What? Oh, why did I do a number? Slot in get slot. If slot get item self, then slot set item. No, we're gonna clear it out. Why are you complaining? Bruh. Whatever, I'm ignoring it.
So now I'll set the pace. With such short time, yeah, I really must make haste. But I don't know what's ahead, or what the ending will bring. I just need to take a minute and then try again to take out the king. If I'm stuck, I'll call you with each stage I'll move through.
Alright, that'll clear the player, it'll put it on the ground. And then we can position it, I guess. We can do. What can we do? Oh, we have this. Okay, self the primary part dot C frame equals target. Okay, it's might be that easy. You'll clear it from your inventory and then it'll put it in the right spot. Okay.
Sorry, baby, I just don't know the words or how to conjugate it down. Was it really past tense? I heard, or was it present perfect? Maybe we could forget the time you faced that friend without
Now here we can do. So if we could place it before, then we'll do this. Otherwise, we can't. If self.can place, then okay, we need the item service. We actually don't have a knit here. It's fine. We get service, and then we do item service lace item. Preview dot primary part. Let's see for it. There. That might actually work. Now we just hope and pray. Ah, I forgot to increase the sensitivity on the rotation. Should probably do that. Well, that's not right. What the hell? Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, so two things are going wrong here. Oh, I'm an idiot. There we go. That should fix it. Okay, almost. Oh, that's weird. Why is it not updating? Ah! Dang it. What did I do about this for the throwing? I just added an unequip. That's very silly. Okay, that should fix the problem where you teleport a little bit because I added the unequip. The fact that the inventory isn't updating is a different problem. Okay, well, partially fixed. It's better. Wait, hold on. I need to know. Okay, it does divide. We're good. Oh, wait, I can use this. Thank you for the follow, Spunkle. Nice name. Welcome. Alright, I'm going to change how this code works, actually. We're going to say if self.holder player get, then return. Then we just do that. I think that's fine. And then we can change how it works over here to drop the item instead of doing that other thing. So we get the item. Okay, actually we just need the slot. We also need the item, I guess. If not item, then turn. So if there's an item in that inventory slot. What are you? Okay, that's what I see. If not item or not item, colon is a placeable, that is. Alright, so now we can do no. Item service drop. Slot get end. Where's the drop function? Oh, it's inventory drop. Inventory drop. Slot get end. Index. If slot. Actually, no, this is fine. No, if slot is override, then return. That should drop it and not move it, I guess. And then we'll do... Let's see if that works. Nice! Let's go! It works! We can place it down in places. I love that so much. We'll work on making that, but, you know, I'm making that side thing work. But I got the placing system done, and that's what I wanted to do today. And it is 10 p.m., and I have friends I want to do stuff with, and a bathroom I very much need to use. So, thank you for watching if you watched. I'll catch you next time. Make sure to join the Discord if you haven't already. It's /Discord or !Discord, I don't remember in the chat. I think it's exclamation mark Discord. We got a lovely Discord where you can chat with other people who are interested in the game, get sneak peeks, and if you opt in, you know, get pinged whenever we're live. I've had reports that sometimes this gives you the wrong link. Let me test this out. Hold on. What does this do? Is this the right server? Yes, this is the right server. So just do exclamation mark Discord and I'll give you the link. Do I have any viewers? I have 3 viewers, so we're gonna find someone to raid. Actually, I'm not gonna bother because there's only 3 people. No one's gonna care. It's a little sad. We had more people I'd raid, but you know. All right, I'll see you next time. Hope you.